when you attach a database file to a gCADPlus design, as I've done here, if you look down on the command line there, under the command line and to the status line, this particular design has a file called GARDENCAD GCP associated with it. It's a long file. It has some nearly 500 species in it, but you would develop your own GCP file that was specific to the area that you work. But one of the things that always embarrasses landscape designers is that if you print, say, a plant schedule, which you can do automatically from gCADPlus once symbols have been assigned to entries in this database file, and it's a simple file, it's just a text file. We want to ensure that when you print the plant schedule, it has correctly spelled botanical names and even common names. And gCADPlus gives you some help in that regard. Notice the red underlining after the term palmatum. Just let your mouse hover over it, right click and add that word. We're confident that that is spelled correctly, and now palmatum through the whole file is approved, and we can close it. Let's take another example. Aeonium, right click and add that word. Again, the word has been added to the dictionary. So it's been added to the dictionary, which is living in your documents folder, in your gCADPlus folder, and it's a correction that you've made to individual species here. So you would work on your own plant database file over time, and it would gradually improve the spelling, and you might choose to have Wikipedia open so that you can look up botanical names and build the quality of your plant database file as you go. It becomes part of your intellectual property. Then you should be confident of using the tool to generate plant lists and get lists that are free from spelling errors.